Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So today we are going to start a graphical user interface development or a GUI development in Python. First question arises in our mind that why do we need any type of GUI or why do we need any type of graphical user interface in Python? We can create any type of application or any type of software, and after that we can use those applications with the help of console or a black screen or terminal. So why do we need a GUI or graphical user interface? So basically GUIs or graphical user interface allow us to interact with our system and allow us to interact with computer. So that is the one of the great thing about the GUIs. So let's say you don't have any kind of knowledge about the system or you don't have a knowledge of the computer, still you can use that application or that software with help of GUI. That is the one of the great thing about the GUI. Another thing is that GUIs are very easier to use compared to console, and GUIs are very user friendly. Okay, so that's why GUIs are great. In Python, there are lots of libraries available to create GUI like WX Python, PyQt5, PyGUI, and many more libraries available. But one of the most popular library is that Tkinter. Here in this series of videos, we are going to create an awesome GUI with Tkinter. Okay, so basically the advantage of Tkinter is that Tkinter is by default installed in your device or by default installed in Python standard library. Okay, so you don't need to install Tkinter. So Tkinter is one of the most famous library for create a GUI. Okay, so let's say you want to create a GUI for Mac, you want to create a GUI for Linux operating system, and you want to create GUI for Windows operating system. You don't need to write code for each and every operating system. You can just write a code for Windows, and that code you can use for Mac, you can use that code for Linux. Okay, so that's one of the most advantage of the Tkinter module. Okay, another thing is that you can create any type of GUIs as your creativity. You can create a notepad, you can create a Microsoft Word, you can create any type of software with help of Tkinter module. Okay, so that is the great thing about the Tkinter. Okay, so let's import Tkinter module in our device. So here I am going to write from Tkinter import star. So basically here I am importing all the classes from Tkinter module. Okay, now here I am going to create a object of one class, that is a root is equal to tk. So basically here I am creating one object from tk class. That tk class is belong to Tkinter module. Okay, so whenever you create any type of GUI or any type of graphical user interface, that first step that you have to follow is that you have to create one object of tk class. Okay, so that's that thing that you want to do each and every time. Now the second step that we are going to do is equal to root dot main loop. So here basically we are creating a forever loop. You can call it as an infinite loop. Okay, that will handle events in our GUI or graphical user interface. Okay, so basically whenever you create any type of GUI, that time the first line of code that you are going to write, that is a root is equal to tk, and the last line of code, that is a root dot main loop. Okay, so you can use any name or any variable as you want. So here I am here using the root is equal to tk. Okay, and after root is equal to tk line of code, you can write a logic of your GUI. So let's say here I am going to comment out logic. Okay, so basically here two line of code will create a basic structure of your GUI or create a basic structure of your graphical user interface. That will create a minimize menu, that will create a close menu and all that thing. Okay, so that will create a basic structure of your graphical user interface. So here I am going to run our code. So here you can see that here it is showing us a basic structure of GUI or a small GUI or a basic GUI. Okay, so here you can see that is our basic GUI, that is a close menu, minimize and maximize menu. Okay, that is our basic GUI. So in this GUI you can add any type of label, widgets and many more things. You can use add a slide bar and many more things. Okay, so here you can write a logic of that GUI. So guys, if you have any question about the GUIs, or if you have any question about the Tkinter module, you can just ask me in comment section below. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. If you have any comment, question, query, you can just ask me in comment section below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching this video.